Greetings, fellow tech seekers. Shawn from Silicon Theory here again, and continuing the craziest month ever, we have another unboxing for you, and this time it's the OnePlus 6T. So a couple of things of note. This is the T-Mobile variant, which I have acquired from T-Mobile directly, and it is the 128 gig, 8 gig SKU in the glossy black back. So if you have ever wondered what was inside the box of a OnePlus 6T, prepare to wonder no more. Let's get started. So right away we can see the device itself. It has the underglass fingerprint sensor, which you can kind of see in this little graphic here, but it's a very large, the 6.41 inch display with the little tiny teardrop notch there up top. And then on the reverse, you can see we've got the OnePlus logo, the dual camera setup right up top. On the other side, we've got, kind of hard to see, but you got the power lock switch here, the wake lock switch, and then the alert slider up top. And then on the other side, we have the volume rocker, and then just barely up top here, it's got the SIM tray. So let's put that to the side for the moment. This is, I thought this at first was actually the case for the phone, but it's not. It's just the plastic housing for the phone itself. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. And then right now, you can kind of see inside the box, we've got the artist formerly known as dash charging here. The wall plug, if I can get that out. Very useful, very powerful, and one of the fastest on the market. You've got the USB-A to USB-C connector, and then we've got the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone dongle, because the OnePlus 6T does not have a headphone jack. So yeah, kind of a bummer there. Also, even though it has that glass back, there's no wireless charging supported, which also kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. Thanks, OnePlus. We've also got here some additional stuffs. So one of the good things is that, and it's a little bit tough to see on camera here, but the OnePlus 6T comes with a tempered glass screen protector installed, which is kind of nice. And they also throw a TPU case into the mix, which, you know, it's kind of cheap, but works. It's good. It's for free. I'm not going to complain too much. The paperwork has the unlock the speed mantra, and then has the logo for the in-display fingerprint sensor. And then we've got a nice little pamphlet, which includes the obligatory SIM tool, my T-Mobile SIM, welcome start guide, terms and conditions agreement, and what else we got in here? Ooh, stickers that have various slogos from OnePlus, including their Never Settle logo. Please don't talk to me, my alert slider is set to silent. A little funny, good times. OnePlus with a sense of humor, I like it. So I am going to jump ahead to the part where I put my SIM in the phone, and we will be right back. And I'm back. So let's go ahead and peel some plastic off of this bad boy. And while I was away, I have inserted my SIM into the device, so let's boot her up. As a reminder, the 6.41 inch display is 1080p, Super Optic AMOLED, whatever that means, and also sports a 3700 milliamp hour battery. So as you can see, the OnePlus device is powered by Android, as all of their flagships have been. And again, this is the T-Mobile variant, so hello T-Mobile. You can see the full display going from the top to bottom, just the little cutout for the teardrop notch, and then the very small chin bezel there on the bottom. So hi there to you too. So that is pretty much the walkthrough of the OnePlus 6T. We're definitely going to have some more of our thoughts and opinions and a full review coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can hit that like button if you'd enjoyed the video. And also, if you want more of our content, you can feel free to subscribe. There is a button in the corner that looks like our logo, and once you've hit that, make sure you also hit that bell icon to get notified when the next video goes live on the channel. So thanks again for watching, and remember, we will talk tech soon.